Best handheld digital microscope for the classroom. Classroom requirements. Captivating images. Easy to use. Chromebook software. Lessons included.
This is Gina. She is struggling to keep her students' attention. They are not interested in learning. Introducing the SmartMicroScope 5M, a handheld digital microscope designed specifically for the classroom. Students of all ages are fascinated by the live, magnified images from the SmartMicroScope, a visual learning experience that provides instant feedback. It inspires a sense of wonder that drives exploration and learning. Now students are researching to learn more about what they found under the scope. The SmartMicroScope 5M is easy to use and is compatible with Chromebooks. The Chromebook-compatible web app enables students to take pictures and record videos and save directly to Google Drive. With the SmartMicroScope 5M and the web app, there is no need to install software. Simply plug it in and go to the website to view the live magnified image. It is fun, easy to use, and an extremely effective teaching tool. Start exploring your world with the SmartMicroScope 5M. Learn more. www.smartschoolsystems.com.
The SmartMicroScope 5M. Students love it. Save instruction time. Easy to use. Free elementary investigations. No software to install. Learn more at smartschoolsystems.com.